First, the new platform, Enterprise A2019, is the only RPA platform that is fully web-based. You can take the entire A2019 and run it in your data center or private cloud, just like what you do today. No change there. But think about it. What if you are able to do the same simplicity with zero footprint? What if you can do all of this with no software to download at all? What if right now on the stage, I can take my mobile phone out and invite 6,000 people to try a software? And in 4 minutes, all 6,000 people can try a RPA software in 4 minutes or less. What if we could do that? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Now, we can call a taxi, Uber, Ola in 4 minutes. We can do so many things in few minutes, but we don't expect that from enterprise software. Why not? So I'm very pleased to announce that we are launching the new Automation Anywhere Intelligent Automation Cloud. It is Automations Anywhere's RPA as a service offering that is, again, fully web-based. It is true cloud native. There is a big difference. There is a big difference in taking a software and just running it in a cloud, lift and shift, or a software that is cloud native. And this means you can access A2019 in 4 minutes or less on a cloud. This is truly inspired. One of the things the cloud offering does is gives you an unparalleled scale that is very hard to do if you try to do it. For many large companies, it is possible. But not everybody can do that kind of a scale with that ease. For example, your AI workload should run on a specialized AI hardware. That is now possible with A2019 cloud version. What does this mean for you? Why is all of this technology, what does it translate in terms of a business benefit? We've been trying this out for about 100+ customers for a while. And what we learned is this. If it took you 6 months to do 0 to 100 bots, it takes you about, let's say, 6 months typically. With a web version, you are able to do 0 to 100 bots much faster. And with a cloud version, it is even faster. What that means is you are deploying faster, more bots, more wider adoption, better result, and quicker ROI. That's what it means. Yeah? And quicker ROI means you can take the savings and put it back into the program. It is digital transformation on steroids. That is what this platform provides.